Hey, did you just recognize this? Yeah, it's a cover for blanket. Let's try something with this. I'm gonna take out this wire frame. Here it is. I'm going to use this to make a wall grid panel for hanging photos, drawings, notes, etc. For that, we'll need 3 wires to place vertically and 2 wires to place horizontally. Length of your wire will depend on the distance between the opposite sides of the frame. Don't forget to take around 7 cm extra length of your wire. I've marked your points to make a grid of big squares. You have to increase the number of wires if you want to make a grid of smaller squares. Now wrap the ends of the wire for making the panel. I bought this plier from Amazon. You can shop my supplies from the link provided in the description. The wires didn't remain straight as I wanted, so I'm using glue gun to stick the points of intersection so the lines remain straight. Then we'll paint the grid with black paint. For hanging option, we will bend a piece of wire. Then again bend the ends to make a kind of hook. We will place it on the top middle. And press the ends to make it tight. It's almost done. Now we'll use small wooden pegs to hang our stuff. Here you go. Now it's ready to hang on our wall. If you like my idea, then please do give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you are new here, and also please share your reviews on the comment box. Bye. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.